Right, this is an interesting problem. This is the style. The window, in order to get it square, or to vertical, because they're called vertical sliding sashes, if you can see that, that's the amount of gap there is at the bottom, going down to nothing. So that is how far out the window is. Now you might think that's nothing. The only trouble is the weights slide up and down, and what you see there at the back is the outer facing. So what's happening is that this weight is wanting to sit where this weight is down the bottom, and it can't because of the angle of the dangle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out a hole in the outer facing, which I've already partly done, and then build out parallel, once I find out how much I need to add, onto here, which is the outer facing, which is the outer facing. And once I've done that, we'll build this out so that it takes in the angle of the window has settled on. The house has moved by about 2 inches. So we've put a wagtail in between so that the weights are separated. There you can see the back weight. There you can see the front weight. Now all we've got to do is slide in between here some thin weights to control the other sash. As I said, this particular box was made for 4 weights. Now what we've found is that the glass in these windows have all been changed, and so the glass is much heavier than it was originally. It was probably 2-3 mil glass beforehand, whereas now it's 4 mil glass. That makes a huge difference in the weight of the window, which means that the weights themselves the counterweights have to be heavier. So we're going to have a bit of fun tomorrow sorting out the second set of weights, but already it's starting to come together. This is all temporary, just for overnight. As you can see, there's plenty of gap at the top there, but that will all be taken up tomorrow. Up there, I think it's there. There you'll be able to see where the old pulley was that makes the rope go round the corner, but I'll explain all that tomorrow.